Hi, I'm Craig, and welcome back to another on-the-road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Today, we will take a look at this Whirlpool freestanding electric range. We will show you how to remove and replace the control board assembly. To begin this repair, we must first access the back of the unit. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. The tool you will need to complete this repair is a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. With the unit turned around, what we need to do is remove this bottom middle panel. It is held on by 2 Phillips screws. After you have removed these, slide down and pull out and set it aside. Next, remove the top panel by taking out all of the Phillips screws around the perimeter. At our last screw, hold on to the plate so it doesn't fall. Carefully pull out from the bottom and slide down and set it aside. Now that we have the back panel removed, we have clear access to our control board assembly. Now the main reasons why you'd be replacing a control board is if it is not setting the proper voltage down to bake or broil. This is very common. Maybe the relay on the control is stuck and it will not allow the proper voltage, maybe only 120 volts to go to your actual elements. Or a portion of it could be stuck to where it's sending constant voltage to your broil or bake element even whenever the unit is shut off. You could have a bad clock, your buttons may not work. These are all very common symptoms. Now to begin replacement, first start by unplugging your harnesses. Next, we have 2 Phillips screws that are holding on your control board assembly. When taking off the second one, make sure you hold the bracket. Pull out on your main control and set it aside. To install your main control, simply put it into place. Install your first screw. Do not tighten it all the way so that you can move it around in order to place the secondary screw. Tighten this one and retighten the first one. Next, we will reinstall our wiring harnesses. Now we can reinstall our back cover. When reinstalling your top panel, first, very carefully, it's extremely sharp, slide it in at an angle, and the middle should go underneath these slotted areas. You may have to wiggle it around a little bit to get it perfect. Hold it and reinstall your first screw. Once this is installed, go to the other side, line it up, and reinstall our second screw. Now, go around the perimeter and reinstall the others. Now, we can reinstall our bottom plate. When reinstalling your back cover, you will notice it does have these 4 tabs that correspond with the notches in the back. Slide them in. Once all 4 are in, push up and reinstall the 2 bottom screws. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.